Hi there, my name is Carmelo Muley and I'm a visual merchandising manager here in the Burlington store. And my IKEA journey, well, it's been a long one. It's been 31 years. At the time, I graduated from Sheridan College, and at the time, IKEA actually came to the college and interviewed second-year students. I worked as a visual merchandiser in North York for 10 years, and within the 10 years at North York, I had an opportunity to be involved in many remodels, and a couple of highlights was new store builds. I was able to open up the IKEA Burbank in California, and also was involved in the IKEA Chicago Schaumburg store, which was a concept store. So after 10 years, I moved on to Burlington. I worked in Burlington and helped them for 1 year in their showroom remodel. And then from there, right after, I was started the planning team for the new IKEA Etobicoke store. Then after IKEA Etobicoke, I moved on to IKEA Vaughan, and then had a great opportunity to work with a central planning organization in Canada. So I worked with that organization for 4 years and was involved in planning the new Richmond store, Winnipeg, Ottawa, and was able to partake in the build-up on-site in Halifax, which I was there for almost 5 months. So my journey has taken me through all 4 GTA stores and different remodels throughout the US and Canada. After that journey, I had an opportunity to come back to Burlington, working as a VM manager. What I love about my 31 years is the people, the cultures, and the values that I share amongst all the coworkers. It's 31 years of family. That's what kind of keeps me here at IKEA. My contribution to the success of IKEA is embedded from IKEA values of different with meaning. A value that has been instilled right from the beginning of when I started at IKEA in 1989 is to really challenge ourselves to do things differently and to strive to new ideas and new innovative ways of doing things. Of course, from a visual impression point of view is creating inspiration, of course, for the store and for our customers is a driving factor of increasing sales and to the success of IKEA. My piece of advice for someone looking to work at IKEA is to love a fast-paced environment and to be open-minded and to learn new and different things, and to be involved in a company that is forward-thinking, ultimately is the great IKEA journey for the future.